In this video we will make a tractor, so you can see the material list. Again, our like three combination, but here we will use the like yellow motor. This is a bit like stronger than the other one. This is with reductor. Here like there are some like special gears here. This is like stronger than others. Here you can see like two coffee cups, and I just put a stick here and like drill it according to here. And also you can see the pipe and like same sticks, one round stick, two wheel and battery bat and batteries. So you can start with the same pulp. So today we will make a tractor. Tractors are also made in like 1800s for farming, and they were at that time working by steam. So you can see like it's working, but a bit like slower, but believe me, it's very strong, because the tractors are made for heavy works at that time. And I will put this one here and it will go forwards. Then I will change the position like this, so it will turn like this. Okay, let's put some glue here. Maybe I can put this one here. They were kind of hero at that time for the farmers, and it was so nice at that time. That right now there are some tractors are like using GPS, and they are able to do by themselves. Okay, and this is to the front. Okay, this is my tractor. Okay, and I will put this one to here. Okay, and here for changing batteries. Okay, what else? Right now I will put my like wheels, as you know from the other videos. First wheel, and then pipe, and again wheel. This is so easy. Pipe, wheel, pipe. Easy to turn, yes. Okay, and then I will cut it. Okay, this is my wheel. Okay, this is good. And I will put this one to the front, exactly to the front here. I put this one here right now, almost ready to go. And what I'm gonna put for here, like I will put this one like this. Okay, it's hard to put, but be careful. Okay, I put this one here, and here you can see that one. There should be a distance from here, and also the second one. If you're not able to put it, you can do it on the ground. Okay, a bit like this, and also a bit like this. I will put some glue also here. Okay, these are glues. Okay, my tractor will be like this, but I will also decorate my tractor a bit. Maybe I will put this one, okay, to here. To decorate my tractor, and also I can put this one like this, long or a bit like shorter, like this. A bit glue here. So, and also I will put one more here. And the last one on it. So right now my tractor is almost done. It's for sun. So if I push the button, like my tractor will turn. You can see like wheels are turning a bit like slower, but putting it so strong. So you can see my tractor is going super well. And so you can see how it's strong. Look, yes, this is tractor.